In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jotform AI agent for your organization. Harnessing the power of AI can streamline processes and enhance productivity in your team. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. When you arrive at the sign in page, you'll see a few options to log in. You can easily sign in using your Google or Microsoft accounts. Alternatively, if you prefer the conventional method, simply use your email address along with your password. This flexibility ensures that you can log in whichever way suits you best and seamlessly dive into creating your AI agent. Once you're signed in, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the Jotform logo. Next to it, there's a convenient drop-down menu. Click on that, then navigate to the My Agents section. This is where you'll manage and create your AI agents tailored to your organization's specific needs. Now that you're in the right spot, look for the option to create a new agent. There should be a clear button labeled Create Agent. By clicking on it, you're starting the exciting journey of building your own AI agent from scratch. On the subsequent screen, you'll be presented with a choice. You want to opt for Create from Scratch. This option gives you the most control and creativity in designing an AI agent that perfectly aligns with how your team operates or the specific tasks you want it to handle. Next comes the prompt screen. This is where you can let your creativity flow. Describe the agent you'd like to have, specifying as many details as possible. The more information you provide, the better your AI agent will be at fulfilling your needs. Whether it's customer support or task automation, detail what you envision this agent should accomplish. After thoughtfully crafting your description, it's time to bring your AI agent to life. Click on the Create Agent button to move forward with your personalized configuration. This signifies the starting point of all the powerful capabilities the AI will offer once it's finely tuned. Finally, you'll find yourself on the Agent Builder page of the AI agent you just created. This is your sandbox where you can train and customize your AI agent to adapt precisely to your workflows and objectives. Take your time to explore the customization options available and tweak your agent until it perfectly aligns with your organizational needs. And there you have it, you've successfully created your own Jotform AI agent. Remember, AI is all about continuous improvement, so don't hesitate to revisit and refine your agent for optimal efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this empowers your organization to leverage AI for an even more productive future.